What's up guys, Alan here with Edge Autosport, and today we are putting some fresh oil in the VB WRX. We are at 2,700 miles-ish right now, which is a bit sooner than what Subaru recommends for an oil change. But we beat the crap out of this car. So we're gonna actually be putting in an oil that's a bit thicker than what Subaru recommends for their oil change. Subaru recommends a 0W20, which is fine for most people, but because of the abuse that this car sees both on and off the dyno, and with the tracks opening up now, we need a thicker oil. So we are gonna go with the Schaeffer's Supreme 9000 in a 5W30. So Schaeffer's is an oil that we carry here at Edge Autosport, and we run it in all of our project cars. And this will be available as a kit that comes with the oil, with the filter and the crush washer. And you can pick your oil weight. There's the option of 0W20, 5W30 like we have here, and 5W40. So the Schaeffer's oil change kits are gonna be available on the website. You can go check those out. And while you're doing that, I'm gonna get started on this oil change. So Subaru recommends something like 6,000 miles for an oil change interval, but because of how hard this car is going to get driven, I think that a 3,000 mile interval is going to be more appropriate for us. And you're going to have to kind of decide for yourself what you do for your oil changes, and it's just going to depend on how hard you are on your car. If you're tracking it often, you're going to want to do more frequent oil changes. If you just daily drive it, you don't need to worry about it as much. All right, got all the oil out. Time to get the filter off and get some new oil in.
Cut. Action. Action.
All right, stunt double. Drain down in the pan yet?
Probably.
Let's give it a look. Yeah, there's oil on there. Well guys, thanks for checking out this video where we changed the oil on the VB WRX. You can pick up your oil change kit on the website at edgeautosport.com. And you're gonna wanna make sure you subscribe to our channel because we got a lot more content coming up for the VB WRX. Like in one of the upcoming videos, we're gonna show you guys how to properly clean your airbox. You can see mine is really, really dirty. And we're gonna show you guys what to do about that. It involves replacing it. Anyways, we'll catch you next time.